Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Igama lam Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome and welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing this video with your friends and your family. And if you're my day one, welcome back my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. Please also do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and your family, and comment in the comments section. I would really appreciate that. It's later in the evening. I was actually supposed to film this yesterday, but I was like, and sure, my husband was watching soccer now, and I was like, you know, I need to film it today. So I'm filming the 4-year channel review. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do have a piece of paper here which I wrote a few stuff. Today is the 11th, so on the 9th of this month I hit the 4-year mark since I started my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to revisit a few stuff and like talk maybe a bit of numbers, and then we will take it from there. So I am going to be like tackling expectations for YouTube, how YouTube has been, like how I feel about the whole YouTube space, and subscribers and views. I'm also going to be talking a little bit about numbers, like comparing the years. I'm going to be comparing that to other years, just to let you see how maybe subscribers that I had after a year of starting my channel, and how I've grown into what we are on now, which is 1,170 of all of you. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you so much, my loves. And then I'm going to be talking about improvements that I have made on the channel and what I would like the channel to be about, and a little bit about why I started the channel, the core of why I started this channel. And yeah, I'm going to be talking about those things. Those are going to be the priorities that I touch on. So stay tuned. Let's start with this video. So my expectations. I thought that when I start filming the videos and start uploading and like being consistent, I'm gonna be like make subscribers like within a week or 2 weeks. I'm gonna be like seeing all the results. Son. Never. I think for the longest time I had like maybe 16 or 25 subscribers, but we're gonna go through it together. And I had done my research quite a lot, and I had an idea of what YouTube was, and obviously I only watched big YouTubers from South Africa, and I watched big YouTubers from UK and USA. So I did not watch a lot of YouTubers from South Africa, like small YouTubers. So I think that's where I failed in my research. And I could see like people starting their channels and saying from 1 subscriber to like 1,000 subscribers in a week or 2 weeks. I'm like, okay, I mean, sure, I can do that. I know that I'm not offering a content, I'm not shooting content, or I'm not showcasing content that is not well known, because when I first started, my content was more about makeup tutorials, everything, how to do makeup, how to use what with what to have a nice flawless makeup look. So that's what my YouTube initially started with, because I would see like people that like makeup and they were just not doing it right, you get me? And I was like, if I could make a YouTube channel, and because I saw Jackie Aina, I was like, if I could, and it's by Aliyah, yes, and I was like, if I can make YouTube videos, South African audience, and specifically for my black sisters and brothers that do makeup, and I wanted to do that in a way that is gonna be able to reach them and in a way that was gonna be relatable and understanding, because ibisenziwa ngumuntu wase South Africa. You get me? Created even for like Africa. If I could reach Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Rwanda, like stuff like that. And that was the initial idea I had. Expectations where it went like this very fast. So I quickly realized, okay, it's not happening. And then I was incorporating my hair, because I have natural hair, and I also wanted to teach people how to take care of their hair, because I could see people struggling to take care of their hair. One, because our parents never really taught us how to take care of our hair. The easiest way they went about it was just to relax your hair if it's not manageable, and if they can manage it better or to the best of their ability, they'll be like, no, just relax your hair. And for me, for a long time, I didn't want to like relax my hair. I remember in 2008 to 2010, I didn't want to relax my hair. I wanted my natural hair, but my aunt was like, no, I don't like natural hair, because there was this stigma or the stereotype that our natural hair didn't look presentable or whatever the case is. So that's what I also wanted to showcase in my channel. And yeah, those expectations of mine that I had, I'm gonna make 1,000 subscribers within a year, and like it took me 4 years. The public watch hours was not a problem, but the subscribers were the problem, because I think early this year I reached 4,000 public watch hours, probably like around June, between June and May. Then it was daunting to like reach 1,000. I don't know if my content was not appealing, because I felt like once I switched up to like lifestyle content, which was more about vlogs and stuff, like a certain number of people that are subscribed would actually liked the Lacore content. Once I was now in the process of getting married and I filmed that and people liked that, so I think that's when I mostly got a lot of people coming to watch, and that's why I was able to reach the public watch hours, and also the subscribers. I got a lot of them from the Lacore content. Okay, moving right along. How has YouTube been, and what have I learned from YouTube? I have learned that with YouTube you need to be specific about your niche, and you have to like be consistent in it, and you have to believe, you need to actually know why you are providing this content, and what is it that you're trying to get your audience to understand, or your reach, what is your reach for this type of content. So all those things do come into light, and I realized that I feel like the content that you create will appeal to the audience that actually like your content. And sometimes it's not even that. I think that people are more inclined to watch a content that is more good quality, like crisp. I feel like people gravitate more towards someone who has more subscribers and their content is like, the quality of their content is like crisp in terms of the equipment and stuff like that. I'm not saying that if you don't have a camera, you don't have a nice phone, you still can't join YouTube. YouTube is not that saturated as people will think it is. Yes, now in South Africa, and I've seen a lot of people that have joined YouTube, and people that want to showcase their content creativity side, but it's not as saturated as you would think. You can still come in today and you will do better content than me, because why? You have done your research, and maybe you are ready for it. So YouTube for me has taught me the niche you are in, and what is it that you are actually trying to achieve with your content, and the audience, your target audience. What is your target audience? We're gonna move to subscribers. I thought that I had the impression that subscribers meant views. Crickets. No, subscribers do not mean views. Sometimes people are gonna subscribe to your channel and they're not gonna watch your content, and sometimes people are gonna watch your like subscribe to your channel because of a specific video that you've shown. Let's take for example the Makoti content. People will come watch a few of my videos and not come back until I do the Makoti content. And the thing is with the Makoti content, unfortunately I'm not going to be able to do that on a daily basis, because when I'm in Johannesburg, I don't wear my Makoti attire. I don't do anything that is Makoti related. I'm just myself. I wear whatever I want that is appropriate for a married person. So it's really unreasonable, and those expectations for me, I can't meet them. Only in December that I'm able to create content that is Makoti based. As you can see on my channel, I do have a few videos that are Makoti related, and those videos are doing pretty well. They're doing very, very good, because people are more interested in that cultural stuff. And those Makoti videos are only am able to film them. I will be only be able to film them when I go to the Eastern Cape. For example, this one here, I filmed it around December, which was around my lobola. And yeah, and this one was because I was now and yeah, and those two ones are just for those were just a follow-up videos for the Makoti content. But if you look at here, I have realized that anything that I create that is Eastern Cape related, it does pretty well. It does pretty good, because a lot of videos that I've created that are more Islalini content, they're doing very well. So like I said, I wanted to compare yours, so I'm gonna go to 11 month of 2019. Yes, that's where I want to take this to the 9th. No, that's right. To the 9th of this month, right? And so here we are trying to compare the 4-year period that I've been on YouTube, how we have done so far, and yeah, stuff like that. So these are shots. This is how far I've made with shots over the years, for the past 4 years, like you can see. Yeah, damn, it's been a long time. As you can see, I want to go to the day I created. So the first day that I created a YouTube video, I got 88 views. 88 people chose to watch my video, which is like, oh my gosh, almost 100 people. So I'm really I'm happy with that number. And you can see it fluctuates, it goes up and down. And obviously you see I got 2 on the 6th of December. I got only 2 viewers, or 2 views rather. Like here, 1 view, 0 views December the 26th. I mean, people were in like holidays and whatever, but you can see how it was. And yeah, it's crazy. And then I started to see like numbers here. You see like 7 people and 50 people, over 50 people. So this was actually nice. Like, it was not so bad. And I was creating, as you can see, like 5 videos, like 9 videos there. But I started seeing numbers, people started viewing in numbers. And then when I wanna see 2022, as you can see, this is when I I think this was when I had my Koti content. This was the Lobola videos that was doing well. You see, there's a time where I got 212. This is impressions. It means that this is how many times your video thumbnail was shown to people on YouTube. This is actually not like how many people have viewed my channel. So yeah, this is just people that it was shown to them. Some people chose to watch it and some people chose not to watch it. And the click-through rate from here chose to watch this video, and the average viewing of my channel is at estimated 7:32 seconds, so 7 minutes and 32 seconds. And yeah, we have grown quite a lot. So I just want to show you this was when I started. I want to show you, this is the overall of my channel for the past 4 years. This is how much money I've made so far, which is not a lot of money. I have $10.37 and yeah, also I want to compare let's also do, okay, so this was 2019, so let's now compare the year 2021. So let's compare the first year first, which is, I want to compare 2020, yes, 2020, and so it starts with the month, come on, 1109. I said 09. This thing is dizzy now. Or must I just write 9:20 like that? So let's compare my overall content for the first year. So as you can see, for the first year I had 2,300 people that have viewed my channel. I had 154 hours and I had gained 234 subscribers. So that's how much, I've gained 220 and 34 subscribers. I feel like each year actually, but it got better this year. But this is where I got this is how many subscribers I had. Created 50 videos or 50 plus videos by then, as you can see here. And yeah, the numbers were not bad, and typical views was like 280 to 360, which is more or less what I'm getting still on my long form content, especially if it's like vlogs, makeup and hair content. So that's roughly what I was getting. Okay, so now let's compare from 2019. We had 50 videos and we had 200 and was it 30 or 40 audience? Yeah, we had 234 subscribers in 2019. So we're gonna compare with 2020 as to how many subs we had for that year, or how many we've gained approximately for that year. Let's see, apply that. So from 2020 to 2021, the overall we gained quite a number of views and quite a number of watch hours. We were up, definitely we were up, but the subscribers were not that great. We had this is 2020, 2019, we had 100 and 18 subscribers for that year. I mean, it's not bad. The hours were nice and the number of views were nice. Probably just not getting a lot of subscribers. People were not finding my channel, like, I don't know, interesting enough to stay and subscribe. And then we are gonna go to the year 2021 to, from 2021, the same day when I started, to 2022. Like I said, I want to compare the years and see how we were doing. 2021 we had bigger numbers of views. And this is when I started uploading the my content, but I uploaded that my content towards the end of the year, so I think 2022 will be a greater year in terms of numbers. Views were nice, and public watch hours we got like 2.7 for that year, which is great. It's amazing. And the number of views, 24k. That's like insane. That is like a lot of people, if you ask me. So yeah, it goes up and down, man, as you can see here. One thing about YouTube that I've learned also is that you have to give it your all, and it's very hard if you have a 9-to-5 job and you still want to pursue this content creation very seriously and see the fruits of it. I'm still struggling because juggling work and also being a wife, it's just a lot. It gets a lot sometimes, but I'm not complaining. I love this. Yeah, I wouldn't choose any other thing to do, you see. So that year we got 310 subscribers, and which was better than the previous year. And then let's go to this is just the overall view. Let's now go to 20. Let's now compare 2022 to 2023, which is this year, and apply that. So this year we did very well. 2019 we received 50 subbies, and then in 2020 we had 300, and then in 2021 we had yeah, this was 2022. So to compare 2022 2023, now that's where we at. We have 506 subscribers so far this year. That's how much we have had. And I started being monetized on the 24th of I was being monetized on the 24th of September this year. So I haven't been monetized for a while, and I haven't had a video that has done like amazing. Like, for example, my Makoti content videos have done in the past. So this year, but this year's numbers are looking very good. They're very up. So this year we had 88k people viewing my channel. We have 5k public watch hours, which is probably why I was able to be monetized and reach the 4,000 public watch hours, because I was really struggling. And then we have had like 506 new people joining our channel, which I'm grateful for, and I love that for us. I want to go so you are able to tell also with YouTube, which is why I love with them. So you're able to see which content, like your top content basically. So I know that this video actually kind of like almost blew up, and like that's my first video that has had that many views. And obviously you have your Makoti content. For this year it did well. Like, it's been doing very good. Like I said, people like anything that has to do with Islalini and stuff like that. Looking so bad, even though sometimes I've been like, oh my gosh, could be doing so much better. I could be doing so much better than I am doing right now. But you know what, it's okay. sometimes it's okay. You learn from your errors. That's when I was monetized September the 24th of what do I want to do? So you see the amount of views and the amount of public hours since I have been now I'm just giving you a breakdown or a overall view of how I was able to earn this amount, which is the $10 and 30 and $37 cents. But you see here I got quite a nice number of views, and I think this is the video that I said it kind of went viralish for me, because I've never had any video that's above 25k on YouTube. So these were the numbers of views that I was getting. As you can see, it went up, and then it started spiraling down a little bit, and yeah, you get the jinx of it. YouTube goes up and down, and this is when like the hours I was accumulating. The peak was 61 hours people watch the videos. So, and then the amount of views since I have been subscribed, I have been monetized, I've gained 172 views, and this is the amount I've gained so far. So I want to show you guys, this is what I wanted to show you. The first, come on, the first day, oh no, I want to show you guys the first day of being monetized, how much I earned. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Even the next day I didn't earn anything. Even the third day I didn't earn anything. And I think the 27, which was like what, 3 days later or 4 days later, I earned $0.11, and yeah, I just went up and down, up and down, up and down. I would love to see $1. I haven't seen $1. So it's been fluctuating around that the whole time. I would like to see $1. Like even when my video was at peak, I wasn't earning so much. Also because like short videos don't make a lot of money than with long form content. So please do know that's where I make the money. And yeah, man, it's just okay. That's the most I think I've received. I would like to see $1. Just $1. Imagine, just $1. Because of the number of views, it makes sense of why I am making this amount. And it's going down 0.5 cents, and it went up again, it went down there. It goes up and down. It's just annoying. Like I wanted to go up, like I want to earn like at least $10. You see this $10 that is here, if I can earn that each day, like I'm more than okay with that. I'm more than okay with that. But yeah, you can see the hours. So it's not a lot of hours. You can see why. And also it also depends on where are you from geographically, and your videos, who's actually watching your videos most. Is it people from UK? Is it people from USA? And is it people from Africa, so, or Canada? So, and also it also depends on your CPM, your RPM, revenue per mil. I want to say per mile because it makes like, but yeah, it also depends on how much so YouTube does take their cut, and stuff like that in Jawa too. So it's very complex, and it can be demotivating sometimes. Like you see that it's nice to create content, but it's even better when you can create the content and then you get paid for it. Like what is nice about YouTube, you will always earn as long as you keep your channel open and you keep uploading content. Like you can all earn on a video that you've created 5 years ago, and it can still make you so much money. So I feel like with South African small YouTubers, I feel like with any YouTuber in South Africa or in Africa, you would not make as much money unless you are in the USA, Canada, or maybe Europe. I don't know, but I think we as South Africans don't make. I would like to see like bigger YouTubers in South Africa that we actually look up to, like abo Keyams, abo Mihlali Ndamase, abo Lasizwe, abo Tandigama, ZX Online, Yols, like to like show how much they've earned so far, because a lot of YouTubers from overseas, they actually do that. And overall, like how much I've made in 2021, I've been watching a lot of those. How much I made in a year, how much YouTube has paid me in a year. I would love to see that for us as South African YouTubers, like especially the big ones, because I just think that they're making quite a number of dollars. Because I remember this one time I was watching Snekuku, and she said she actually earned 27,000, and that was just on ad revenue, nothing else, no affiliation links, no sponsor. It was just that. I was like, wow, crazy. So since I have been monetized, I've created quite a few videos, and I've received, I mean, quite a number of views. I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad at all. I just hope that the new people, the new viewers would just subscribe to my channel. Like I would love that for myself. I would really appreciate that. But I know that a lot of these people that I knew, they actually are people that are coming from my short videos. It's not people that are subscribed and watch my content like that. So yeah, I think what else would I like to touch on with you guys? I think I've touched on anything. You're not bad. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at the numbers. I would love them to be like 118 million. Be Mr. Beast. But it's okay. We'll get there. I think that's all that I have for you today. I have compared you the numbers, and I have told you what I thought YouTube was going to be, my expectations, and I want to touch on something very quickly. I'm gonna touch on why I started my YouTube channel. So why I started my YouTube channel, like I said, initially I wanted to like educate and inform people about makeup and how to take care of their natural hair. And with makeup, I will say that I haven't done that in a while, because whenever I do that, it's always when I am getting ready to go somewhere else, and you will be in a vlog. I feel like makeup videos did not do well. They don't do well anymore, even with big YouTubers. So that's why I've like stopped like sharing that. I feel like people are more educated. People know how to do their makeup now a little bit better, and I'm more focused now on the natural hair content, because I feel like we still need to be educated on that. And I myself, I'm still learning a lot from just doing my research before I come on and just present a video to you guys. So I would like, going forward, if you want to associate myself with anything or any type of content, I want it to be more about natural hair and lifestyle content. That's basically what I want it to be about. Not that I will not create like tutorials every now and again, or just get ready with you guys, but that's just what I would like moving forward. And yeah, basically I started my channel, I wanted to be informed and inform others, and I just wanted to create something that was mine and something that was different, something I haven't done anyone from engingqini yami eyenza okanye elalini yami eyenza or from my hometown eyenza yabo. So that's initially why I started my channel, and I'm happy with the growth. It could be better, but you know what, I'm very grateful for where we are and how far we have come. Like, we have now a tripod, we have ring lights, I mean, we have a lot of other things that are improving my content, the quality of my content. I just want now to, moving forward, to improve the context in my content that I'm creating. I hope that makes sense. And I don't want to like upload videos for the sake of uploading videos. I want to upload videos because I'm enjoying them, and I hope and I want you guys to find them interesting too, so that we can grow in numbers and yeah, just go to the next level in life. And yeah, I feel like that's all that I think I want going forward. Like, associate myself with natural hair content and lifestyle content. I think that's where I'm at right now. Makeup will be something that I do like every now and then, maybe if I'm going out or something like that. I'm telling a story time, and then I'll say get ready with me while I do story time, something like that. But for now, that's where I'm at, and I'm happy with that. As you can see, as you saw, I'm not making enough money to be like a tandigama or like, you know, quitting my 9-to-5 job. I can't do that. So hopefully in the next 2 or 3 years we will do that. But we have grown, man, this year. I feel like we have grown. Beside the equipment that I bought for our channel, I feel like I have invested money from my personal pocket or personal funds that I would like to see it being appreciated by my audience, and just like making money so that I can maintain this channel. I mean, I need to pay for example, the music that you guys hear that plays on my channel, that is a subscription that I need to pay for. And with the economy to serial Ramaphosa, that is almost impossible because I have other things that I want to like invest in myself for long-term purpose and long-term goals, like financially. So I would like if you guys were to like show appreciation just by watching my ads, and that's all I ask for. I'm not asking for you to send me super thanks or super chats. You don't have to do that. Grow, man, for us to grow and be able to buy baby lens different lens that are gonna be more wider, and you know, and maybe move out of this place and get a house and get a car. Who knows? I would appreciate that. I would love that. I would love to see that. But yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching this video. I hope you have learned something about the YouTube space. But more importantly, I hope that you have learned and got a little bit more personal with me, which is me talking about my journey with YouTube and how far we have come and where I want to go. I would love to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of next year, but I know with that I have to like bring in my A game. I know that it is possible. I have no doubt that in my mind that I can do it, but I know that it needs a more appealing space and for me to create crisp content. Like I said, I feel like a lot of people gravitate towards more people that have more money, like have money, like wealth. And wealth doesn't mean that in this context, it doesn't mean that you are a millionaire, but like a beautiful space, because now I feel like I am limited to create the content that I really want to create. Like maybe like get ready with me. Okay, get ready with me is fine because I can still show you doing my face, but I can't show you like try on hauls. I can't show you guys what else, skincare routine, because our bathroom is so tiny and it's not something I would like to like it's not something that is appealing or aesthetic for brands to also be approaching me and stuff like that. So yeah, please watch the ads so that I can buy myself, we can buy ourselves a house and buy ourselves a car, so that I can bring you guys content that is as good as Auntie Jackie, you know, Jackie Aina. So because those are the people I actually started watching. So please watch the ads, my loves. I would appreciate that a lot. And I shall see you in my next video. I feel like I'm even out of context now with the whole video. But like I said, I hope you have learned a lot about this video, about this YouTube space too. And you've learned a lot about myself as a content creator and a South African YouTuber. And please do not forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below what have you learned about YouTube, and what were you thinking YouTube was like what are your expectations when it comes to YouTubers in general. So yeah, thank you so much, my love. See you in the next video.